Okay, so here's what we do to run in the home prices data file. This is it, the one we worked with today in class. Okay, first I want to clear the screen, clear the console. So now my console is clear. Okay, so I'm over here. Now, I need to figure out where to put this file, home prices, when I do my download. So in order to do that, I run this command called getwd, which is get working directory. Same thing as a folder. A directory and a folder are the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to run this, execute. It tells me, this is basically telling me where I want to put the file when I download it. Okay, now I've already done that. I've already downloaded it to where I want it to be. So there we go. Edit, execute. Okay, so now that worked. You can tell it worked because it just, the line that it basically just echoes back the line that I ran. And if it doesn't come back with any errors, it's fine, okay? So now I want to get the column names. Okay, edit, execute. This gives me the column names, and I'm going to need this to build my model, all of these things to build my model. But before I can do that, I got to do one other command. It's called attach, A-T-T-A-C-H, and I'm going to attach the data, the D-A-T-A. Okay, so the data is just the data from here. And I'm going to run this command called attach. Edit, execute. Okay, so I've run that. Now what does this allow me to do? Well, now this basically sets it up so now R can find the data associated with these columns. So if I type in bathrooms, not bathrooms, I need it to be the right spelling, bathrooms, bingo. Now we've got a bunch of houses, and these are the number of bathrooms in each one of these houses. Okay, let me look at another one. Let's look at land area. And that's the amount of, I think, square feet times, I think it's 10,000. I think it's this times 10,000. So that's how many square feet, the property has, and so forth. Living, let's try another one. Let's just try garages, G-A-R-A, garages. Okay, so these are the number of garages a given house has. And now what we're interested in predicting, we're interested in selling prices, what we're interested in predicting. So here's the selling price. So that's 25,000. This is old data. That's 25,000, 29,000. These are pretty cheap houses. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to take this and build a model from these columns. Okay, so to do that, got my linear model. Selling price is the dependent variable, so I put it first, and I take a tilde, and then I start just listing out everything else. So I'm going to start with bathrooms, B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M-S, then a plus sign, then land area, L-A-N-D-A-R-E-A, then another plus sign, then living area, L-I-V-I-N-G-A-R-E-A, okay, living area, then garages, G-A-R-A-G-E-S, okay, then rooms, R-O-O-M-S, okay, then bedrooms, B-E-D-R-O-O-M-S, okay, then age, okay, A-G-E, then structure, S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E, okay, then type, T-Y-P-E, and then, what else is left? Fireplaces, F-I-R-E-P-L-A-C-E-S, and then that's it. Then I've got my model built. So I'm going to run that line. Okay. Execute. Okay, something's wrong. What's wrong? Selling price. I forgot the word price. I need price here. P-R-I-C-E. Okay. Because I got that from, see, here. It's telling me that the object was selling, and I left the word price off of that. So let's try this again. Execute. Okay, now it worked because see, it doesn't have anything red. It's not, there's no errors or anything. Okay, now I'm going to get the summary of this model. Execute. Now I go look, let's start off. And the only things that seem to really matter are bathrooms and living area. Those things seem to predict the price the most. Now, those are the ones that are significant. So the model, if we're going to build a model, we're only going to use these two. Now, down here's the p-value. This means overall the whole regression is pretty good. The r-squared is very high. So we've got some good stuff going on here. Okay, and that's it. Okay, I think that's all I need to show everybody so they can get through the kind of problem we had today. And on Thursday, we're going to have more problems like this. Okay, so you want to kind of go over this video, look at it, and then think about how you would apply it if there was different data. Okay, same kind of problem, different data, right?